Actually, this is a great initiative by Ring Central for parents like me to have this activity, which is actually helpful as well since stressful sa trabaho, and definitely socializing with this fur babies will help us as well distress for the day.
I think the collaboration between and partnership between RingClub's and CARA, I think these types of initiatives are really great for the dogs and as well as our employees. It shows that our values go beyond just the office.
I'm so happy to be here with CARA. This is actually my first time to do volunteer, and I'm so happy that our company Ring Central chose this activity. And since I'm a fur parent, I have 2 dogs, 2 cats. I'm really excited to socialize with other dogs and cats as well. So I'm excited for this day.
We are continuously hoping that we can do this at least once a year or 2 times a year, every 6 months at least, to help them. Thank you so much, Ring Central, for giving us the opportunity to be part of this great project.
The dogs and cats, they have different stories. In every meron silang abandoned, they are neglected. Tapos meron ng mga forgotten na iniwan lang ng mga owners nila. CARA is trying their best to accommodate all of them.
Thank you, Ring Central, sa pagtulong sa CARA. Maraming matulungan nyo dito sa mga pusa-aso namin. Madaming salamat po.
These types of initiatives they go a long way towards making the community a better place. And I'm very happy that Ring Central and the RingClub's is part of it.